Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world today. How we doing out there is Pandora, the postcard diva. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. How we doing? Hey, we're back today. I want to do a review on another solid, amazing program that I've been a part of for 2 years. I want you to check it out. But before we get into that, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info to check out my other affiliate programs, all right, that show you how you can earn online. All right, right here, www.coffeeandcoins.info. The link is also in the description. All right, so want to learn and earn 100% instant payments from anywhere using a phone or laptop. When you get started today, you will unlock instant access to a step-by-step blueprint. Tap into the power of social media marketing to grow your income. Now, before we go further, let's also state the FTC disclaimer. I can't make any income claims, guys. Can't make any guarantees, all right? It takes work and effort to get results, all right, when you're doing affiliate marketing. Because your job, my job, is to promote the opportunity, right? There's nothing, no sales are going to just fall in our laps. We actually have to do the work, all right? So, but it's possible. It's possible, but I can't guarantee it. All right, so let's get into it. Now, you can check out this opportunity that I'm getting ready to talk about at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay? So, learn how to earn daily pay in 2026 with affiliate marketing. My goodness. Excuse me. I've been in this space, oh my goodness, since 2012. Okay, let's say 2012 is when I guess, started marketing. But I came into space, as a consumer of information prior to that. And once I stumbled onto affiliate marketing, okay, versus network marketing, because that's how I actually got started, I never looked back, because I realized with affiliate marketing, I can earn way more commissions than network marketing, which is where I came from. All right. So I love the idea of being able to get 100% commissions. All right. I get to keep all the profits. You get to keep all the profits for all our efforts. And we're promoting digital products. Don't have to have a physical product. I don't have to stock anything. Don't have to hire any people. Don't have to ship anything out. It's a beautiful thing. So how it works, your simple 3-step success plan. The Legacy Builder program gives you the skills, strategies, and tools to launch a 100% profit-driven business while using social media and email marketing to build long-term sustainable income, right? So that's what this program is going to teach you, how you can tap into social media. Okay, you don't have to chase friends and family around. That's the other thing. Once I got started and kind of figured everything out, because I was so burnt out with the network marketing, all right, whenever you join a program, you got your physical products, you have to go through your list, right? You guys remember that. All your warm market. They want you to write down everybody you know, people you do business with, dry cleaning business, car wash, everybody. And what they call it, you end up getting in the NFL, the No Friends Left Club, because you burn out. It's like, here's another one and another one. And folks just like, what are you promoting now, right? So I love the idea of the way digital marketing is, and the way I established myself is I wanted to be able to not have to worry about chasing folks, trying to convince people, my friends or family. And so once I finally discovered affiliate marketing and learned really how to market, it's amazing, because there's people all over the world out here, all right, online. and folks are searching for what we have. So this way, people come to you. That's attraction marketing. So that's what we've got here, digital marketing, attraction marketing. Check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. So, step 1, let's check it out. We got 4 products here, all digital. You don't have to even create them. That's the other thing. You don't have to create anything, guys. All you have to do is plug into what's already here and follow the plan. Step 1, learn and launch. Get access to the trainings and tools and support to set up your digital business. Everything is in the back office. They show you step by step how to set up your automation system. Step 2, grow and market. Master organic social media strategies and email marketing to attract high quality leads. Now we also have copy and paste ads. Now what I've done is I have a tool that I use, and I can create my own copy and paste ads. So for anybody that gets started with me, I've got tons and tons of copy and paste ads that you can use to post on different free website, classified websites that you can post, as well as Craigslist. How about that? I know folks don't even talk about Craigslist like they used to. Craigslist is still alive, okay? So basically, that's another strategy that I'm throwing in here, is the Craigslist. All right. Now, step 3, you're going to automate it and scale. Implement automations, strategies to generate recurring income and build long-term wealth. So once you set everything up, the step 3 is you're going to automate everything. That's what I love. You set up your marketing system. They show you how to do that step by step. And then we promote it. We market it. And once it's set up, guys, it's working for us 24/7. Okay? So that's what we mean when we say automated. So meaning once your capture page is out here set up, and then you start doing the marketing and promoting, folks put in their name and email, and then the system does the sifting, sorting, selling, and telling for you. So your job is just to drive eyeballs and people. That's what traffic is, eyeballs, people to your site. And you're going to learn how to do that here again with attraction marketing. So whether you're a busy parent, a burned out professional, a network marketer, or a 9-to-5 worker seeking more, this is something you definitely want to check out. www.thecopypastemethod.com. Thousands are creating automated online income streams. Now it's your turn. We've got, when I tell you, tons and tons of people from all ages, all walks of life that have used this system and the strategies. It's amazing. I was just looking at the community last night and looking at all the folks. I mean, people from, you may think, oh, I'm too old, I don't know tech. You don't have to worry about that. It's very simple. If you can copy, paste, press play, follow some instructions, and be consistent. I mean, consistency is the key, okay? That is the key. There's no secret sauce. The sauce is set up your system and get to work. That's it, consistency. All right, but I'm talking about people. I was looking at folks 65, 70, 71, all the way up that are following this plan and it's working for them. So if they can do it, you can do it. If you do the work, guys, right? Program will work. It's not on trial. It's you have to do the work. All right. So we're talking digital products that fit busy lives, full-time workers, busy families, and beginners. All right. This gives you flexibility because you can still be working and work this business around that. That's the thing. You can still be, because when I got started in affiliate marketing, I was still working. So I know it can be done. All right. On my lunch break, I had an hour lunch, right? So instead of me sitting around doing nothing and talking to coworkers for a whole hour being wasted, right? I would take maybe 30 minutes, eat lunch, then 30 minutes, go out to my car, because I was already doing affiliate marketing. I was online at that point. So I would go in on my phone and check messages and do the business, right? Make some posts and things of that nature. And then get home and then do it again. All right, and then make my videos or do my social posts. So it can be done. Okay. So anyway, full-time workers and families can do this. No stress, because you can do it around your schedule. Digital programs, this is what I love about digital versus physical. You know, you can work from your phone. Put your family first and earn around them. Never deal with physical order headaches. It's global. Yes, this is global. So anyone in the world can actually work this business as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection, a smart device. Okay, it's a friendly business model. It's a game changer. One system, automation. So here's just an example of what could be possible for you, right? So the highest product, they have 4 products. There's one product that's $900. Then they have where they've added another language into this platform, where if you buy the Spanish version, which is going to be Spanish and English, that's $1,400 per sale. So it's $1,400 for that one. But the $900 one is all English, right? But look at the numbers. Just 10 sales, 10 people purchase your $900 product, you've earned $9,000. Hello, somebody. And the best part is 100% profit. You keep it all. You don't have to split it. And you don't have to wait on the company to pay you. You're paid instantly. When someone signs up from your link, right, you're going to be signed up through Square, Stripe, and PayPal. Those are the options. When folks click that link and pay, they're paying you directly. Okay, and you keep all the profit. Awesome, because your website is only $39. So the company is only going to make $39. It'll be $900 plus $39 if you decide to go all in and get all 4 products. So the company makes no more money. All right, so it's all you. Automated system, your business works even while you sleep. Again, you can check this out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. With the right system, you can follow a 2-hour workday. They show you exactly what to do within 2 hours. Now, don't get overwhelmed and think, well, 2 hours. You can split it up, guys. Think about it. I just explained to you when I was working, and this system didn't even exist then. I'm just telling you what I did on my own. And then some days, instead of sitting around for an hour talking to coworkers, guess what? Take that hour, go out to your car, all right, and just work your business. Make posts. All right, so you can break it up, the 2 hours. So you may do 30 minutes. Oh, while I'm at lunch, I'm going to do 30 minutes instead of taking well, even if you had a 30-minute lunch, forget it. Go to your car, take your lunch with you, take your 30 minutes, make it count, and work the business. Okay, make a video, make a post. Do some copy-paste ads in 30 minutes. You'd be surprised what you can do in 30 minutes, right? So you're going to break that 2 hour up. Let's say you do, or you get up a little earlier in the morning, 30 minutes there, 15 minutes there, your lunch break, 30 minutes there, 15 minutes there. Come home, finish it off. All right, so imagine finishing your income earning activities in 2 hours a day. So what they're saying is they're giving you the strategy on what you need to do, and you can do the strategy within 2 hours, but you can break it up. All right, we've got tons of testimonies of people that was doing this also while working 2 jobs. Okay, so it's possible if you do the work. So imagine your system generates $1,400 sales, $900 sales, $600 sales, $300 sales, $100 sales. That's possible. All right. So again, there's 4 products. So that's what they're breaking down here. 4 products. The 1,400 is for the Spanish English speaking system. It's the same system as the 900, but the Spanish has been included. Then the 900 includes 900, 6, 3, and 1. Okay? Amazing. All right, so automations equal passive income streams, no monthly expenses to run your automated system, and you become an affiliate for the company. All right, it's amazing. I'm telling you, affiliate marketing is the way to go. I wouldn't have it any other way. Again, you can check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. So 2-hour daily blueprint. Stay consistent. Copying and pasting free ads to high traffic websites for 30 minutes. See, that's what I'm saying. You could do that, say, on your lunch break. All right. 3 pieces of content could take you an hour. Responding to comments or emails could take you 30 minutes. There's your 2 hours. Like I said, for your lunch, maybe you do the 30 minutes here. Lunch, copying and pasting the ads. And then when you get home, you do the other hour and a half. However you want to do it, but it can be broken up. And it's only going to take 2 hours to do this. This is how ordinary people build extraordinary results. Not fast, but sustainable. Okay, because this is not a get rich quick. You have to do the work. Sorry, I have to keep saying it, but it's true. Because people think you can just join something and, hey, I'm not getting no sales. And even if you're not, you have to stick with it. Trust me, when I first got started online, okay, it doesn't happen like that. Okay, because you're new. You got to learn the ropes, the lay of the land. Okay, and the first thing people do, people won't even stick around for 90 days, guys. You got to stick with it. All right, even when you see no results. So, if you're ready, we got one offer. It's simple. One system that gives you leverage, 4 income streams, 2 hours a day, consistency with the blueprint. And look at this right here. I screenshotted this because I thought this was amazing. This lady right here earned $1,400. All right, she's in South Africa, right? So it says there's more. That's more than my old salary in a single day. Her job didn't even pay her this, okay? She made it in one day, one transactions. I'm doing my happy dance again at home while I'm smiling with the family. Best part is another family will be able to create daily pay with this. Is that amazing, guys? So it is possible if you do the work. So go here to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Check it out. All right. You can get started for as low as $100. We have 4 programs. All right. You can get started for, it'll be 100 plus 39. So, and you can scale this up. Remember that you can scale this up. So don't worry about, well, hey, I don't have the 900. That's okay. Just get started. And once you start earning sales, making your sales, then you can go up to the next product. Okay? So go check it out. I'm going to put my link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right. And again, for everybody to get started, I've got some copy and paste ads that I can give you that I created with an awesome tool. All right. A chat AI tool. All right, so that way they're unique. Your ads won't look like everybody else's. All right, so once you opt in, you're going to see a video. I want you to watch that video, and then you come here to sign up. All right, get in where you fit in. We've got 4 products. Okay, and once you get started, I receive a notification that you've signed up. I'm going to send you a welcome email, and I'd like to reach out and speak to you. And if you have any questions prior to signing up, my information is in the description. Look forward to working with you guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload my videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.